AI Educator of the Week is Shri Sanjay Parmaj, who's PGT Computer Science, Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, Sevagram, Gujarat. Sanjay ji, are you there with us? Sanjay ji, let me see. It shows me he's there. So Sanjay ji has been extremely active around proliferation of AI as well as Python. So I thought it will be good if, and he runs a busy schedule. So I'm really happy, Sanjay, that you could take out some time, and maybe we can have a quick overview from you in terms of how you are teaching AI in your school and what kind of challenges you are facing, and maybe share your experiences with the wider AI community. So welcome, Sanjay ji. Sanjay ji, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome. Welcome. Seem to be in Miami.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah. So, okay, sir. So, first of all, I thank all of you and the team of SCS for inviting me and appreciating my efforts. Basically, we have started artificial intelligence from previous year only. We have applied earlier, but we did not receive the approval. So previous year only we got the approval for class 8th and 9th. So we have started. And suddenly after this lockdown, it was very, we are very unfortunate here because we are living at a very deep place here. Network problem and so many problems are there because this is company school. And it is very interior place. Yeah, interior place. So here that services are not there like internet or something. So we have started first sending notes and PDFs to the students through WhatsApp groups.
Okay.
And after that, we came to know about Zoom. So we have started with Zoom. And then suddenly one thought came in my mind because one day one student asked for PDF and the same thing students were asking. And I was searching the PDF. So I thought, let me create one website so it may be beneficial for all. So just I will share the link and they will access anytime. And I did not to search that particular PDF where I saved because basically I'm also forgetting where I have saved. And so many things and contents are there because we are teaching so many classes. So I thought, and I have started this website. And then
so anybody can see this website, is it? Or only for your school it's there?
No, anybody. Wow. Anybody, even it is ranking on Google also. Because I have experience with my particular WordPress and website developing. I know from my history only. So when I have started my career, I have started as a website developer. But I don't like that job. Because I like to interact with people, and the teaching is one field where we are interacting new faces every year. So that's why I chose schools only. Earlier, I have associated with colleges also, but there also I did not feel that like a teacher feeling. So that's why I have left that job and then I have joined the school. And here I'm enjoying actually because every year I'm sharing my experience and my knowledge with the students, and it's a great experience for me. And I enjoy this session with everyone. Whenever I'm discussing with the students, every session we are getting new students, and it's a joyful experience. So I have started the website, and suddenly students ask that these notes are there, but we are not understanding. So if practical demo will be there, then it is better for us. So I have started YouTube channel also.
Wow.
Because in WhatsApp we cannot send, we cannot send this longer videos.
Yes, and quality also gets compromised.
Yeah. So it was not good. So that's why I started YouTube channel, and then I shared those videos. So to prepare this, and then I found that people are also liking this, and they have given feedback on my WhatsApp number, on YouTube comments, and email. So many emails I am receiving every day, and I am responding them also. I am helping whatever I can from my side. So I thought it should be continue. And then I continue every day. At least I am spending near about 2-3 hours for my website articles, that typing and expressing my knowledge. Creating videos, it is also taking that much time, recording, editing and all. So it is also taking 2-3 hours. Along with this, my regular school work is there, classes and other work as computer teachers are managing so many things in schools. So those all I am doing from my side. But till I have decided that at least one video and one article should be published every day, and that target should not miss any time. So if work will be there and I am busy with school up to 4 p.m., 5 p.m. also, but at the evening, at late night also I'm publishing video, but video should go that day and article should publish that day. That is my target, and anyhow I'm completing it. So that, yes. So this hard work also pays, and right now people are appreciating it. Many people are using and sharing the feedback. So I feel that my work is appreciated somewhere. So that gives satisfaction. So I'm getting that, and teaching AI. So students taking AI. So they did not have any experience with computer also up to class 7th or 8th as per the CBSE, and we have only 2 periods as per the school administration or something. So I am trying to do that the basic and general aspects should be taught them, and they should be acquainted with the basics of artificial intelligence and some tools. So that way I am just demonstrating the simple things. Then if somebody is interested, then I am demonstrating them advanced things also. But first I will start with the basic. So the basic things I am demonstrating, and students are also enjoying that. And they are very happy with learning artificial intelligence. I have taken their feedback and they were very happy. And they told me that we are very fortunate that we have teacher like you. So they are appreciating every time, and they are learning so many things every day with me. So that was my experience.
No, absolutely. In fact, Raksha ma'am is saying that she's also seen your videos and they are very great. Radha ma'am is also appreciating. And I am personally amazed, sir, given that I have never been to your place, but I was just checking on Google. So it's a very interior place, as you said. And even there you are able to do this.
We can say like that. We can say like that from here. Pakistan is 35 kilometers away from this from this place. Yes. So this is on border only.
Wow. No, it's amazing, sir. And I think educators like you are a true testimony of kind of leadership we need. And you've got a corporate job, you left it, you entered teaching, and now you are teaching a subject like AI in such a remote environment, and then innovating every day. Hats off to you, sir. I think we are blessed to have teachers like you in our country, and I really hope that more people like you are there to mentor our next generation. And we are so lucky to have you as part of the AI ecosystem and community. And I'm sure all of us stand to learn and gain from you. So really appreciate it. And thanks so much I know you told me you run a very, very tight schedule, but even then you being able to take out some time, we really appreciate it, sir. And please keep sharing the great work you are doing, and we'll make sure that the entire community benefits from it, and your impact can be multiplied through this community. So thank you so much, Sanjay sir. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, sir. And thank you very much for inviting me in this session.
Thank you, sir. Over to you, Manmohan ji, for closing remarks.
Okay. Hope you all enjoyed today's webinar. On behalf of the House of Sultan Chand and Sons Private Limited, I thank you for being part of today's webinar. I thank Parmar sir for his sharing his thoughts. His efforts are truly commendable, and Pankaj for his valuable inputs, and of course Mr. Karthik Sharma for being there week after week. So thank you all. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. See you.
Thank you.